My topic is viral marketing and detail explain, and let's go to the topic and let's go to the start. Viral marketing is a digital marketing strategy whose goal is to reach as many people as possible through word of mouth and social sharing. Viral marketing can take many forms. There are viral email campaigns, viral videos, viral web pages, and even viral applications for mobile devices. The goal of any viral marketing campaign is to create a piece of content that has a high probability of being shared and presented by social media users with high networking potential. Viral marketing gets its name from the fact that content is spread from person to person in the same way that a virus spreads through a population. One of the distinguishing features of viral marketing campaigns is that while a business may incur upfront costs for creating and producing the content, it relies on social channels to distribute the content rather than a paid distribution model. If a piece of content is shared by a popular social media personality or celebrity, it can go viral, resulting in thousands or even millions of views, shares and other types of engagement. The faster and more often a piece of content is shared, the more likely it is to go viral and receive national or international attention. Viral marketing is a style of promotion that relies on an audience to generate the message of a product or service. Marketing is considered viral when it reaches the point where it's being shared by the public at large rather than just its target audience. If achieved, your message will be in nearly everyone's social media feed. Well, much of modern viral marketing on social media can be illustrated by the popularity of memes. Although not necessarily tied to a specific product, how memes spread goes hand in hand with the principles going viral. Think about how seemingly random phenomena like Baby Yoda or OK Boomer take over your social feeds out of nowhere. Memes get shared and promoted like crazy because they resonate with people, all the while outsiders involve themselves with meme trends via likes and shares. Every day we hear about viral marketing, a new viral video, or content that has spread at the speed of light. But what is viral marketing? And how did it get to be viral? Is it due to a viral product or viral advertising? Or is it simply luck that randomly makes something such a big hit? Viral marketing generates interest in a brand or product, and therefore potential sales, through messages that spread quickly from person to person. The idea is that the users themselves choose to share the content. Due to their speed and the fact that they make sharing easy, social networks are the natural habitat of this kind of marketing. The most widespread example in recent times is the creation of emotional, surprising, funny, or unique videos on YouTube, which are then shared on Facebook, Twitter, and other channels. However, virality can be a double-edged sword. It's important to remember that in this type of campaign, a large part of the control falls into the hands of the users and there is a risk that the message can be misinterpreted or parodied. On the other hand, a successful viral campaign can work miracles for your brand's results. While viral marketing is all about users spreading your content organically and quickly, guerrilla marketing takes a slightly different approach. It is all about shattering conventional marketing methods and reaching users without using traditional outlets. In other words, the aim of guerrilla marketing is to ambush the viewer and build publicity, whereas viral marketing seeks to generate the organic and voluntary distribution of content from users. Viral marketing is an online marketing strategy that involves the creation of engaging and entertaining content with the intention of having it widely shared across the internet. For example, a company might post a funny video on its YouTube page, which is then shared by viewers through email, blogs, Twitter and Facebook. Viral marketing can have several different objectives, from boosting brand awareness to increasing sales. It can also take many forms: videos, images, memes, a phrase or image, often humorous, that is frequently copied and spread on social media, e-books, articles, lists and more. One of the challenges of viral marketing is that marketers can't entirely control what content goes viral and what doesn't. To be successful, viral marketing campaigns need to employ the right social media channels to reach and be shared by the largest number of users. Appealing to individuals with high numbers of followers on social media can also be effective. When properly executed, Viral marketing can be very cost-effective as the content is distributed by the audience rather than the creator. A popular YouTube video, for example, can receive thousands or millions of views, connecting with a huge audience that would cost a considerable amount of money to reach through a more traditional medium like television. If you use any form of social media, you have likely encountered a viral video or campaign. As you might have noticed, any regular person can go viral on the internet overnight nowadays. Due to the buzz virality creates, companies and brands have also started using viral marketing to attract attention to a product, service, or brand. So how do viral videos get everyone talking about the same thing? Why are we attracted to viral content? And how can companies create campaigns with virality in mind? Read along to find out all about the behind the scenes of viral marketing. With the rise of social networking and digital media platforms like TikTok and YouTube, anyone and anything can go viral, including cats or Gigi Hadid's pasta. Viral marketing is based on the idea of creating exciting content that viewers are compelled to share and forward to others. So what is the difference between viral marketing and word of mouth, WOM? Well, according to Ferguson, 2008, the difference stems from cause and effect, whereby viral marketing is the cause, and word of mouth is the effect. Viral marketing definition is the sales strategy companies use to spread product or company information from person to person within a short period. The channel of spreading can be through word of mouth or social media, and the internet. The information reaches various users, and they choose to share it because they find it beneficial to other people, or it caught their interest. Businesses want to expand their market share and reach out to more customers. One way companies increase awareness of their brands is through viral marketing, where company messages spread to families and friends exponentially. Platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube make it easy for information to reach many people quickly. The audience keeps sharing and liking messages reaching out to their friends and followers. What is viral email marketing? It involves sharing email content to get it spread widely in various channels. Viral marketing is important in building and expanding business brand recognition. When businesses create inspiring content, users share them widely, and the company brand becomes noticeable to a large potential market. It is a good way of getting the attention of more customers and increasing the customer base. Viral marketing is a business strategy that uses existing social networks to promote a product mainly on various social media platforms. Its name refers to how consumers spread information about a product with other people, much in the same way that a virus spreads from one person to another. It can be delivered by word of mouth, or enhanced by the network effects of the internet and mobile networks. The concept is often misused or misunderstood. 3. As people apply it to any successful enough story without taking into account the word viral. Viral advertising is personal and, while coming from an identified sponsor, it does not mean businesses pay for its distribution. Most of the well-known viral ads circulating online are ads paid by a sponsor company, launched either on their own platform, company webpage or social media profile, or on social media websites such as YouTube. Consumers receive the page link from a social media network or copy the entire ad from a website and pass it along through email or posting it on a blog, web page or social media profile. Viral marketing may take the form of video clips, interactive flash games, advert games, ebooks, brandable software, images, text messages, email messages, or web pages. The most commonly utilized transmission vehicles for viral messages include pass-along-based, incentive-based, trendy-based, and undercover-based. However, the creative nature of viral marketing enables an endless amount of potential forms and vehicles the messages can utilize for transmission, including mobile devices. The ultimate goal of marketers interested in creating successful viral marketing programs is to create viral messages that appeal to individuals with high social networking potential, SNP, and that have a high probability of being presented and spread by these individuals and their competitors in their communications with others in a short period. The term viral marketing has also been used pejoratively to refer to stealth marketing campaigns, Marketing strategies that advertise a product to people without them knowing they are being marketed to. Viral marketing seeks to spread information about a product or service from person to person by word of mouth or sharing via the internet or email. The goal of viral marketing is to inspire individuals to share a marketing message to friends, family, and other individuals to create exponential growth in the number of its recipients. Viral marketing is a sales technique that involves organic or word-of-mouth information about a product or service to spread at an ever-increasing rate. The internet and the advent of social media have greatly increased the number of viral messages in the form of memes, shares, likes, and forwards. Some marketing campaigns try to trigger virality, however many times just exactly what goes viral remains a mystery. Once something goes viral, it is an easy and cheap way for a message to gain popularity. Viral marketing can increase a company's reach and, ultimately, its customer base. In the case of viral marketing, viral refers to something that spreads quickly and widely across its audience. Viral marketing is a deliberate enterprise, though the distribution of a message happens organically. As such, social media provides the perfect ecosystem for viral marketing. Though it has its roots in traditional word-of-mouth marketing, while the practice was much more widely used in the early to mid-2000s, as new internet businesses were being created in extreme numbers, it is still common among internet-based business-to-consumer (B2C) companies. The widespread adoption of social media networks, including YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook, has enabled modern viral marketing efforts and increased their efficacy. A frequently used example of early viral marketing is Hotmail, the free web-based email service launched in 1996 that included in its users' outgoing messages an embedded advertisement and direct link inviting recipients to sign up for an account. This practice led to the fastest growth among user-based media companies at the time. Another example that illustrates how varied viral marketing can be is the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. The Ice Bucket Challenge existed before the ALS Association utilized it to raise awareness and generate donations. However, the massive dissemination on social media of ALS Ice Bucket videos created a worldwide sensation that tremendously increased ALS awareness. All viral marketing examples, deliberate or accidental, have three things in common: the message, messenger, and environment. Each part must be leveraged to create a successful viral marketing campaign. Viral marketing campaigns may be created by any size business and can stand alone or be a part of a larger traditional campaign. These campaigns may use several tools, for example, videos, games, images, email, text messaging, and free products, to appeal to the emotions of users or viewers, raise awareness of a worthy cause, and make it easier to consume and share. Viral marketing often relies on the help of an influencer, who has a large network of followers. With the help of social networks as a force multiplier, viral marketing is quicker than traditional marketing campaigns, as well as less expensive. Since it can receive so much traffic in a short time, it can also lead to mainstream media attention. Social media can also cause viral marketing efforts to misfire, as messages are altered, misconstrued, considered spam, or called out for missing the mark. Viral marketing success can also be hard to measure. Viral marketing allows companies to better market their products by reaching consumers that ordinarily would not be targeted by its traditional marketing campaigns. This expanded reach allows the company to enter new markets and potentially expand its customer base. When done creatively, companies can trigger viral responses. For example, Burger King created a buzz when it posted pictures of its month-old, moldy Whopper in response to McDonald's claim that their burgers don't decompose. Burger King created a buzz when it posted pictures of its month-old, moldy Whopper in response to McDonald's claim that their burgers don't decompose. Burger King asserts that it uses only fresh ingredients and no preservatives, which should provide a better and healthier outcome for its customers. Its unappealing-looking burger was visible proof of that claim. Viral marketing costs are a fraction of traditional advertising campaigns. And advertising is essentially free when consumers infectious share their positive experiences with the company's products and services with others. Because the internet allows content to be shared easily and quickly, viral marketing can also trigger exponential and rapid growth. However, it is important to note that how quickly and easily content is shared is largely dependent on whether the company uses the right tools that make this possible. Sometimes, viral marketing sparks a response counter to what was intended. Consumers tend to share negative news more often than positive news, and studies show that people have a stronger emotional response to negative news. A negative buzz can be detrimental to business and sometimes hard to recover from. The effects of viral marketing are hard to measure more often than positive news, and studies show that people have a stronger emotional response to negative news. A negative buzz can be detrimental to business and sometimes hard to recover from. The effects of viral marketing are hard to measure, as it is difficult to determine if a lead or sale resulted from it. And there is no consensus among businesses on how to measure its success. If customers believe the viral campaign will compromise their privacy and security, they will likely not share. As a result, the company's marketing mission fails, and its reputation may be tarnished. Future viral marketing campaigns may be adversely affected by previous unsuccessful attempts. Here are tips to help you make your brand go viral. Be attentive to emotions, as they are the driving force behind viral marketing. Find a position and stick with it, rather than being neutral. Be creative and don't make traditional ads. Be good at storytelling, seeking to evoke an emotional response from the follower. Don't stop with one campaign, continue to keep your audience engaged. Lastly, make sure that you create a campaign that is easily and quickly shareable and where people can submit feedback or ask questions. To make money on a viral video, you must monetize it, generally by requiring subscribers to pay to view or by allowing companies to advertise to your audience in exchange for a fee. Companies either pay the creator to mention their products or services or run company-created ads before, during, or after their videos. There are other ways to make money from a viral video other than the ones mentioned. For example, creators can license their videos, allowing third parties to use their content. Being transparent means being open about operations and motives. Transparency in viral marketing is important as consumers are more critical of traditional marketing campaigns and are holding companies accountable for their actions more often than before. Approximately 94% of consumers are likely to be loyal to companies that are transparent in marketing. Seeding is a marketing technique in which companies purposefully distribute viral information or content to select users who they think will effectively share the campaign. Most often, social media influencers are chosen as seeds to spread the word and solicit feedback about a product. First, identify the purpose of going viral. Are you seeking to improve your brand's image or increase awareness? Then, find out more about your audience. Social media reporting is a good source of information about what is preferred by your target audience. The content you want to go viral needs to be configured to where it can be easily and quickly shared. If not, the campaign will likely fail at the start. Make sure that the content you want to be shared is organic and relatable. Lastly, use trends and hashtags to promote the content, as they will capture the attention of your follower. There are many tools companies can use in their viral marketing campaigns. Companies can create and sponsor communities, which can be tapped to promote your products or services. Create and promote sweepstakes, contests, and rewards to generate buzz and capture a large audience. Other tools include sponsoring messages and chat blasts. In general, a viral marketing campaign may cost anywhere from $100,000 to several $1 million. Viral marketing is an inexpensive and effective technique for increasing awareness and promoting a brand or product. Companies depend on their audience or targeted users to share advertising campaigns and their positive experiences with others. Successful campaigns can help the company grow, enter new markets, and increase revenues. Companies must choose the right platforms to advertise and format their content to where it can be easily shared. If done poorly, It can produce unfavorable results that could erode earnings and tarnish a company's reputation. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe the channel.